Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and kind of a reply to a person that asked me earlier today, why didn't you find and replace? Well, and I just drew a bunch of objects in here, and it would take forever to select all the rectangles or the squares, and there's no find and replace for an object. There's only really color. So if I wanted to find all these objects, instead of using find and replace, I would just be find objects, begin a new search, and right here it has type of objects. And I'm going to go rectangles, next, next, finish, find all. Now it's found all the rectangles, and if this would only help you if you were doing like a road map or a lake map, and your symbols for your uh, road signs were a shape of that, and you wanted to fill them in with black, you could do it that fast. All the other shapes are still not in there. And then just thinking about that, if you wanted to delete all the outline, just left click, and now only your squares are left that are a fill. So that's a pretty neat thing you can do. And anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.